अब रात में this wasn't the situation 3 years back, 2 years back, but now I wake up to thinking of farmers and go back to sleep thinking of farmers. And now when someone gives me a platform where I have to speak about medical and health, I think I'm not a very right person, because I have so many intellects and so many experts right here. And I feel I'm just too little, with too little knowledge to be speaking for the profession that you all come from. But must mention this, that we cannot, like us people, cannot imagine our life without the service that you all offer. So first of all, I would like to make the most of this platform and thank each one of you, all the doctors, not only of Jharkhand, but I think of entire pan-India and the entire world, I think, for the service, the unconditional service that you all offer. स्पेशली मुझे लगता है जिन लोगों को इस बात का आभास नहीं था, उन लोगों को भी कोविड के दौरान सब लोगों को ये आभास हो चुका है कि डॉक्टर्स की क्या क्या महत्व है, क्या कीमत है हमारे सोसाइटी में. एंड व्हेन आई लुक एट योर प्रोफेशन एंड आवर प्रोफेशन, और हमारे आदरणीय स्पीकर साहब भी यहाँ पे हैं, स्पीकर वो बाद में है मगर वो एक क्षेत्र के जनप्रतिनिधि हैं और इस बात को वो भी मानते होंगे और ये आप लोग भी इस बात से सहमत होंगे. आई थिंक वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली burning to give light and warmth to others. And it is not an easy task, especially when you wake up every morning. I think we all are filled with, even though how much ever we say that we enjoy our profession, we all are filled with that guilt inside us that we have to again go through the same public service, same audience. It is sometimes frustrating also. हम लोग ये बात को publicly माने या ना माने, but it is very difficult to be in a profession where it is always about giving. It is always about giving. And giving without even wanting anything on return, or by knowing that you're not going to get anything in return. But still, we are doing it for the society. So I think that is a beautiful thing for all of us. And especially thank प्रभात खबर जिन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम को यहाँ पे किया है, because I feel डॉक्टर्स एंड मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट्स का जो फटर्निटी है पूरे देश भर में, वो फटर्निटी आज के दिन में इतना लार्ज है that it's unimaginable. I think, if I'm not wrong, every year India is producing about 1 lakh and above of MBBS doctors. But still, वो अभी भी एक चर्चा का विषय रहता ही है कि हम लोगों के पास इनफ मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट्स नहीं हैं, इनफ मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स नहीं हैं, डॉक्टर्स नहीं हैं. I don't know where that gap comes from, but every year we are producing such a huge number of doctors and medical experts. और ये फटर्निटी इतना बड़ा है कि मुझे लगता है इसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी उतना ही स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए. खास करके इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स में मुझे लगता है और भी अधिक से अधिक डॉक्टर्स को आना चाहिए, अपने बातों को रखना चाहिए. और ये जो प्रोसीडिंग्स आज के दिन में रिकॉर्ड हो रही हैं, यही प्रोसीडिंग्स कल के समय में जाके सरकार के लिए एक ब्लूप्रिंट बनना चाहिए टू फ्रेम पॉलिसीज एंड रेगुलेशंस इन द स्टेट. बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, आज के दिन में मुझे ऐसा कोई भी स्टेट, और इफ़ आई एम रॉन्ग यू कैन करेक्ट मी, भारत में मुझे ऐसा कोई भी राज्य नहीं दिखता है जिसमें एक स्ट्रॉन्ग मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल पॉलिसी है रहे. और यही कारण है आई थिंक कि even though we are producing so many professionals on an annual basis, we still have that gap. The young youth professionals who are coming out, they still don't want to serve to the rural communities. That is the truth. And people who are well established in the urban areas and the professionals, they don't come and attend these kind of events. They barely make time for these kind of events. It's not they purposely do it, intentionally do it, but probably it's the schedule, it's how busy they are. They're not able to give so much of time. But मुझे लगता है ये representation, इस fraternity का पूरा representation और जो regulations framework form होंगे, that is going to be very important. Only then can we change the whole health structure or health condition of this state altogether or of this country. Otherwise, there are a bunch of officers or representatives like us who are planning for the state, but like I told you, we don't have the expertise. We don't have the expertise. So we rely on you, on the challenges that you go through in the day-to-day life, on what patients that you encounter, how we can provide them a service. And I think this is a sector which is constantly evolving, constantly evolving. और आज भी जो हम लोगों के पास पॉलिसीज़ हैं, वो इतनी पुरानी पॉलिसीज़ हैं, इतनी पुरानी फ्रेमवर्क है, to be reliable on that framework and thinking that we can actually make a positive change around us, I don't think so. That's a very honest thing to be believing in. So मेरा प्रभात खबर से यही रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा कि आज के इस कार्यक्रम को हम लोग बहुत अच्छे तरीके से प्रोसीडिंग्स के रूप में लाए और हो सके तो हम लोग सरकार में भी इसको पेश करने का काम करें, बिकॉज आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट इज रियली wanting and lacking at this point of time in these kind of expertise. So that would be very helpful. मुझे लगता है आपने जो 2 स्पेक्ट्रम से यहाँ पे गेस्ट्स बुलाया है, one myself being one of the youngest ministers in the state, और I think हमारे स्पीकर साहब being one of the most experienced politician in the state today. So I think all of you also will get to experience this 2 spectrums of opinion that we all bring today. And I thank you once again, Prabhat Khabar, for having us here. Thank you all the doctors for being such a patient listener. Thank you.
प्रभातखबर.com, विश्वास वही, रफ्तार नहीं.